When your Porter Cable 20-volt max lithium-ion battery isn't charging, the Jumpstart method is often the solution you need. This happens when the battery's voltage drops below the threshold that allows the charger to recognize and charge it properly. To jumpstart your battery, you'll need another working Porter Cable 20-volt max battery. Connect positive to positive and negative to negative terminals. Leave the batteries connected for a few minutes to allow the dead battery to gain enough charge for the charger to recognize it. Alternatively, you can use a DC power supply set to 20 volts and 1 amp to jumpstart your battery if you don't have another working battery available. Important safety precautions. Be cautious of sparks and potential hydrogen gas buildup. Always connect the negative jumper cable to a grounded part away from the battery terminals. After jump-starting, disconnect the batteries and try charging your battery again with the Porter Cable charger. The battery should now be recognized and charged normally. When jump-starting doesn't work, the next step is to thoroughly inspect your charger and connections. Start with the most basic checks that solve many charging problems. If basic checks don't solve the problem, you may need to examine the charger's internal components. The most common failures are blown fuses and faulty diodes, which can be replaced with basic electronics knowledge. To verify if your charger is actually working, use a voltmeter to test the output voltage at the charger terminals. A properly functioning charger should read slightly above 12 volts when tested. Sometimes the battery management system needs to be reset, or the battery may be too hot to charge properly. These simple techniques can resolve many charging issues without any tools. Corroded or dirty battery terminals can prevent proper charging. Clean terminals ensure good electrical contact between the battery and charger, which is essential for effective charging. If all troubleshooting methods fail, you have two final options. You can replace the entire battery, or consider reselling as a more cost-effective alternative that involves replacing just the internal cells.